This is Morning Wood with Wags. It's the end of January 25th or something. Doesn't matter. It's all anyways, take a look at my wood. It's morning, and my wood is getting the house to be warm. Look at this garbage. Is that all right? Listen to the sizzle. Anyways, now that we just meditated, today's episode is a special edition. Now, I'm going to show you, see how the stick's leaning to the left, the wood there? What that means weather-wise, when you're... And by the way, we're going to be talking about potatoes too. So you got your wood, fire, and potatoes all in one video, plus the weather. And I'm going to tell you why. When the air pressure drops, check your wood. See how that works? Let me show you a weather lesson, because I've been doing weather for 30 years. Stand by. So here I have a vintage doohickey. You don't need to know what it means. It's a thermometer, it's a barometer, and it also tells you the air pressure. See how that works? But here you could see where I had it set. Right here. We were about 32 pounds. Now look. That's your stick leaning to the left. That means the air pressure just dropped. When the air pressure drops suddenly like that, your body starts to hurt more. You know why? Because the air pressure is not pushing on your body so hard no more. So your body expands. If you got any aches or pains, see how that works? No, you don't. Anyways, the air pressure's dropped. We have snow. Let me show you that. Snow is falling on my wood as well. So this is like the ultimate alpha omega test. You got snow and fire. See that? Water and fire. Snow is water. Yeah, whatever. Hey, stand by. So back to my stick and potatoes. You got the wood going, so the fire is crackling. Welcome to my potato room. And here's what you got to do. If you're new to potatoes, this is a life hack for all you newbies out there to the homesteading world, or growing potatoes in your bedroom. See how that works? Like, or wherever you want to grow it. Like, could be your podcast. So anyways, check this. It looks like almost like just love whatever, and talk to your potatoes or don't, like, and when you touch it, all of a sudden I started doing this. They're growing like crazy. Every morning you come and say good morning as you turn your, these are grow lights, by the way. You could take a standard pole light, if you whatever you use a pole for, anyways, and then turn it into helping you grow food for the apocalypse, because this is Apocalypse Radio. I'm your DJ, Wags. And it goes, anyways, what you got to do then is get your soils, whichever brand you want to use, and then you get your cup. Like this is how I scoop it out. And this is your life hack. So as the stems, as your stick, the stem sticks get longer, you got to chase it to keep them from literally getting limp. I'm not saying that to be an asshole. That's a true story. We're talking growing food with Wags. This is life hack with Wags. See how they work? Like, here, I'm adding more dirt. Look at these. That's other. And I even mixed the flowers, or not flowers, the other food, so they could talk to each other, whatever they do in their plant language. But this one's really growing. So you got to add this quick. And I swear to God, if you talk to them, just for a second, you just say good morning. You don't have to be an asshole. Like, these things are growing like crazy all of a sudden. Like, so there you go. Fill them up with dirt, chase it up, and then may your sticks and stems and food be mighty, or whatever you call it, Gerber. Look at this one's really getting long too. I gotta add like 3 cups just on one stem. So make sure you got a lot of dirt, by the way. Like, all jokes aside. You really got to chase the stem up, otherwise she'll die on you. See that right? You don't want her to give up. See? There you go. Look at this. See? That's called love. Look at this garbage. I love my food, especially. And by the way, we just had dinner the other night. We were using potatoes I grew over the summer. You know what I mean? Morning Wood with Wags on Apocalypse Radio on the Alpha Omega Podcast Network.